Culinary adventures are a significant part of my life. I find immense joy in experimenting with new recipes and exploring the world of flavors. My kitchen is like a laboratory where I combine ingredients to create delicious dishes. I'm not bound by any particular cuisine, and I love trying diverse recipes from around the globe. One of my favorite things is hosting themed dinner parties. I'll choose a country or region and prepare dishes that represent their culture. It's a wonderful way to travel through taste without leaving my home. My culinary experiments often lead to surprises. Sometimes, I modify a recipe to add my personal touch, and it turns out even better than expected. Other times, I learn valuable lessons from my kitchen mishaps, which only fuel my passion for cooking. Culinary adventures allow me to connect with different cultures and traditions. It's a journey of taste, creativity, and a never-ending exploration of the culinary world.